You know, what makes us special at Shell Island is our location. We're located right at the north end of the island. We're secluded from everyone else, and it really gives you that destination beach type feel.
You're here to relax, put your worries away, go out to the garden, lay down in a hammock, look up to the sky, look out to the beach.
We are located between the harbor side and the ocean side, right in what we call the central business part of Wrightsville Beach.
After the storm, we've brought a lot of more colors, big murals in the public areas. We've done a particular feature in the lobby, which is a coral reef flooring that comes to life with a special epoxy.
The majority of our homeowners did sustain damage, so not only did they make the repairs from the storm, but they also took the time to go ahead and do some recent upgrades.
After the hurricane, we made several changes and updates to the property. The biggest thing is that we did remove all carpeting. Summer Sands is the only dog-friendly hotel on Wrightsville Beach. So that is huge for the rooms that don't have carpet in it to now be pet-friendly rooms. But we were really spared a lot of significant damage, and we count ourselves very lucky for that.
So we have a whole new lobby area, all new furniture and furnishings. We have a new Soundview ballroom area as well as an oceanfront ballroom area. And then we also have a brand new restaurant as well.
Before the storm, we were a beach casual restaurant and kind of held on to that look. Our renovations just kind of freshened things up, a little more airy, vaulted ceilings, just other architectural homage to the old bank building.
We've had to remodel Oceanic down to the studs because of the hurricane damage, which gives us the opportunity to refresh her look a little bit. Oceanic is a historic building dating back to the 1940s, and so keeping that historic charm of the building was very important to us, but we wanted to take advantage of all of the ocean views that Oceanic offers.
We feel very fortunate at the resort that we had no major damages at all during the hurricane. So we're recently redoing some walls in the guest rooms and flooring, and we've redone some areas in the public areas as well already, some carpeting in the ballroom and the other areas. We're all about the water in Wrightsville Beach, the beautiful sunshine and fresh air, so either get out and walk the loop, walk the beach, some kind of water activity. You can do any kind of water sports that you care to do, or you can just sit back and let somebody else sail you on a boat.